Alright. Today we're going to replace petcock, or the fuel valve, on my 2010 BAJA Phoenix. Okay. First of all, take the tank off the bike. 2 bolts, fuel line, lift the back, support it here, pull it straight off the bike. Now this is what they call a peanut tank. And no, it's not because of this shape, it's because of this shape. The 2 lobes, here and here. That's how it gets its peanut. That's why they call it the peanut. Okay. Going to replace this. It took me a while, literally, back from Slow Boat to China. This thing finally wore out. Gaskets went out, and had trouble getting one because they kept sending me a 2 position instead of a 3 position. Alright, support the tank. I believe this is a 22 millimeter hex nut. Pop it loose. Pull it out. See, this one started to leak. Got the new one here. Line it up with the hole in the tank, ease it up, tighten that till the gasket seats. And you position that there where you need to. Okay, now let's see if she leaks. Got that in the off position. Here's the fuel. Alright, no leak. Alright. Now I can get back to doing my thing with it. Okay. So that gasket has the seat down in there. The gaskets wear out. Look at that. See how that's split? Okay. And this is I believe that's a 10 millimeter. Just about like everything else. Okay, that's tight. There we go. Then the bottom of the collection bowl off. Okay, see that gasket down in here? It's starting to deteriorate. It should have come up onto the bowl, but it didn't. A little screen in there. This keeps your fuel clean. But it actually was leaking through the valve itself, so that's why I replaced it instead of getting a rebuild kit. On top of that, the rebuild kit was $10. The replacement part was $7. So anyway, spin that back on. Oh, looky here. This has got a plastic fill tube. Plastic. Whereas my replacement, this is brass. So, cool. Anyway, you see why they need to be replaced occasionally. Alright, have a wonderful day. We're kind of done with this job.